Building bridges. Understanding and using the phrase in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, to build bridges. This phrase isn't about construction or architecture, but it's about building something equally important. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to build bridges in our lives and conversations. When you hear the phrase, to build bridges, you might imagine construction workers connecting two landmasses with a physical bridge. Literally, building bridges involves designing and constructing actual bridges to facilitate travel and connect regions. However, in the English language, this phrase takes on a more figurative meaning. In a figurative sense, to build bridges means to foster connections or promote understanding between people, groups, or communities. It's about overcoming differences, resolving conflicts, and establishing mutual respect and cooperation. When you build bridges, you're essentially creating pathways for communication and collaboration. In personal relationships, when you mend a friendship after a misunderstanding, you're building bridges. In the workplace, when departments collaborate for a common goal despite previous disagreements, they are building bridges. In diplomacy, when two countries decide to negotiate after a period of conflict, they are working on building bridges. As encouragement, we should build bridges with our new neighbors. As reflection, the community has come a long way in building bridges between diverse groups. In analysis, the leader's speech focused on building bridges in a fractured society. Building bridges is more than a phrase. It's a powerful concept that encourages connectivity, understanding, and harmony. Whether in personal relationships, workplaces, or between nations, building bridges can lead to positive changes and foster a more inclusive environment. So, let's all strive to be bridge builders in our own lives. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you build your own bridges, wherever they may be needed.